still fighting for peace. Pray for every soldier out there for their safe return. Can never fulfill what y'all had done for us. Just a token of appreciation for your sacrifice. Love remains. So love
Flip it the other side.
Love from the heart of Black boys. Aha. Right. Yo, Cash Money. What up, G.I.? Joe Breezy. Y'all dudes, let's do this. Big Mom. Yo, Skills, where you at? I'm here, cuz.
Una.
Y'all ready to do this? Hell yeah. Yeah. Over. Drop it.
Lang chef. Alam mo na? Ilang siya alam mo na? Ito. Yuyu. Ito kompasas. Hey! Bakiling! You got barbecue there. Yeah. What's that? You like barbecue? Hey, gotta make barbecue, baby. Look.
I know that it was already planned for y'all. Jesus said to never leave nor forsake us all. So promise that you're looking for your uso on that right. Don't forget about your family that's be praying every night for the strength, the love, and all the pain and the sorrow. I wish that we was already promised tomorrow. Nobody can tell us what you all been through unless they hop in your shoes and then they find out the truth. So keep your eyes open, it's about that time. I watch your back and then you watch mine. So do what you gotta do in order to survive. So hurry up, soldiers, get in line. This one is going down to the floor. This one is for the wives and husbands. This one is for the uncles and aunts. This one is for the big houses. This one is going down to the floor. This one is for the wives and husbands. This one is for the uncles and aunts. This one is for the big houses. LBD Serenade represent for the soldiers. LBD put it down for them mean Trojans. Focus, notice, children, future, tomorrow.
Stop the quick one inside the top of
Never leave you, man, you never leave you in the shadows. Commit to put my life on the line just for you to see tomorrow. Never slip, never down for a call. Some more worldwide, stand proud, stand tall. We're here to pay tribute, we're here to pay respect. We're here to say fuck it, start from scratch. This all represents some more soldiers on the map. It's just a tiny rock, but we got it like that. Now all my brothers, all my sisters chilling on the freedom ride. Let freedom bring us tight. Cause that's what they want, and that's why they fight. Shout out from Loriki for the soldier sacrifice. This one is going out to the bell. This one is for the wives and husbands.
Steaky!